Okay, welcome back to my channel. Okay, in this video we will continue our progress. Okay, we will make a create method and um, how to create data in Laravel 8, Laravel 8 I mean. Okay, first of all we have to go to the admin LTE template, and then you can choose what the form you want, and in this case I want this form, and we have to right click and then just view page search. After that we can search this tag to this, and then we copy and paste it on the our project in the Visual Studio Code. Okay, first trick is we have to get a keyword of the template that we will tag. Okay, this is the keyword for me, and then I will copy it and then Control F to search the keyword of that. Oh, okay, this is the tag from this section content. We will take it and to the session in the bottom on. Here we have to see the template again. Quick example and that we submit button. Okay, this is the quick example, and then we have to search the submit button. Okay, this is okay, and the step we have to do is just copy the row to this tag. Oh, sorry. And how to copy it? Just select the tag to this. Okay. After that, we go to our website and we have to create new view. Okay, in this case, I will name it with createblade.php, and then we had copied this tag to this and the end section. Yes, like that. After that, oh, my copy. Okay, we can copy again. After that, we go to our code and then just paste it. So that we had to look for the missing tag. Okay, there is a lot of missing tag because we're not clear when we take it, and then we okay this form have pasted. After that, we have to go to the our controller and then create a public function that will direct us to the what, to the view that we want. Okay, we just have to create a bracket. Okay, and then we have to type return view and then create. Okay, like this. After that, we have to register our function, our new function, to the web.php. We can duplicate this, just duplicate this with Alt Shift page down, so that in this case we have to call our function that we had created before, and then we just change it to the function that we had created, so that we just call it in the URL. Yeah, okay. This is the form, but it's so ugly. Okay, we had to edit the create with the content file. Okay, we can add the content wrapper on this file. Content wrapper. Okay, so that we have to refresh it again. Okay, this is the form that we had created. You can go to give margin top, and the text is empty. Okay. Okay, this is the form. Do we create the what? We create the whatever you want. Okay, this is the upload section. This is email address. Okay, we can change it. In this case, we had a fruit example. Okay, this tag for name of fruit, and this is from the for the native of fruit, and this is image of fruit. Okay, we have to refresh again. Okay, we don't need this radio box. Can just delete it and refresh again, and we have to go to the sidebar page, sidebar file, Control P with Control P, and then we have to search sidebar.blade.php, and then we have to give a link on this create stage, Okay, in this in this bar with route route clear. Okay, we have to refresh it. Okay, now the sidebar can be used. And then the dashboard tool, we have to link it with the name of the dashboard page. We have to go with Control P and then search the web.php. And then, oh, the name is index. We have to rename it with show or dashboard or like that. What you want. And then we have to Control P and go to the sidebar again. And then you have to give this with throat bracket and then quote, just solo quote. After that we have to give the function on this sidebar, and then we have to show not defined. Why? We have to go to the web.php again. Oh, I forgot it. We had to copy the name of the road, and then we had to Control P and go to the sidebar again. After that, we paste it on this page, and then we refresh it again with Control R or with F5. Okay, we can go to the dashboard and then to the clip again and update delete. It's not definitely it's not, there's nothing, and then just go back to our code. Okay, thank you very much for your nice attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day.